Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create scrolling photo animation in Canva. So open Canva and create new design. Go to Elements, then select Frame. Choose like this example and change the background color first. Choose any color that you want, like black color. Then make a border for the frame. Choose 8 size in border. Change the color to white color. Then restart your frame as you want. I will choose this size. Like this. Corner rounding. Increase it. I think is enough. Then duplicate it. Duplicate it again. Again. Then make it in one group. Move it. Then duplicate it. Move it in one line. Select all. Then group it again. Then duplicate it and make it also into the same line like this. Select all and make it in one group again. I think is enough. Then duplicate it. Then move it to the right. Duplicate it again. Then move it. I will choose this. Make it in center. Now upload your favorite photos or choose them just in Elements. Go to Photos. For me, I will go just to use it photos. We'll choose like this. And this also. Now we filled all our frames. Duplicate the page. Then move these frames. Go to transition, choose match and move, increase the duration, then I will see the final result. This is the final result. You can also make just less frames or more as you need. Thank you for watching this video and make subscribing my channel.